Codex CLI and Cursor are two rising AI-powered coding assistants, but they serve different use cases. Codex CLI is a terminal-first assistant built for developers who prefer working in the shell. It helps generate scripts, commands, and automation right from the command line. It's efficient for DevOps, sysadmins, or back-end developers who live in their terminal and want instant help without switching windows. On the other hand, Cursor is a VS Code-based editor enhanced with AI that deeply integrates with your codebase. It offers inline suggestions, natural language code generation, and real-time context awareness. Cursor is perfect for full-stack or front-end developers who want a smooth coding experience with built-in assistance across files and frameworks. If you're focused on infrastructure, automation, or quick CLI tasks, Codex CLI is lightweight and practical. But if you need AI support within a modern editor for app development or debugging, Cursor is more powerful and versatile.